Fence from the heels as Sears will drive, gets into the paint, fires it over into the corner. Phylon, catch and shoot three, too strong. Ball batted in the air, fought for, claimed by the heels initially, and then knocked out of bounds. They say by the Crimson Tide, the Goldsboro, North Carolina native, to make it a 23-16 game. Bama the other way. Phylon weaving through traffic. Kicks it over to Millett. Around to Sears and now to Stevenson. He'll drive, cut off. Kicks it in the corner. Millett, catch and shoot three, bottom. And Houston Millett, his first points in an Alabama uniform. Makes it a 26-16 game and then gets back. Gets a deflection on the pass attempt. Ball goes out of bounds, touched last by the Crimson Tide.
Nice offense by Alabama getting the lane. I believe it was Jarin Stevenson who drove the lane. Houston Millett was in the corner all by himself. And
off to Phylon, swings it over to Stevenson. Jarin on the drive, fires it back out to Sears. All alone, 4-3, halfway down it popped out. Ball tipped high in the air. Nelson saves it to Sears, drives in, lays it up, hit the bottom of the rim, but he's fouled. Clock down to 10. Phylon working against Davis at 8. At 7, over to Stevenson. Steps into a three, bottom. Well, you just sensed he had some momentum right there.
Potentially for North Carolina.
They can't get it to go. The rebound fought for. Scramble on the deck. Stevenson down there. Had it initially. Now does save it to Nelson. Great play. Now works it ahead to Phylon. LeBaron on the drive. Stops on a dime. Kicks it back out. Jarin, three ball, bottom. Jarin Stevenson. A couple of bank first three-pointers in this half. And the Chapel Hill native hurting his hometown team.
Bama's got to do a better job in transition defense as a team.
11-point Bama lead. Cadeau driving, got away with a push off, and then Nelson blocks it. Picked up by Phylon in transition, and he's the layup that time for Trimble to make it a 13-point game. Bama with Sears tied up, gives it off to Stevenson. Jarin picks it up, fires it over to Phylon. LeBaron on the drive, goes to the lane. Tough shot, left hand, counted, and he is fouled. LeBaron Phylon hung in the air, laid it in off the glass, and the Tide builds its lead back to 15.
There are NBA scouts in the building here at the Deem Dome. We were sitting next to one of them from the Los Angeles Clippers, our buddy Orlando Early, and there are a lot of good players and a lot of guys that are going to be playing in the NBA. But we're looking at one that just finished at the rim, LeBaron Phylon, one of the best freshmen in college basketball.